If you got the XD3 pump reservoir combo and the pump is starting to fail, you can replace it with the EK-Loop DDC 4.2 motor. You can find it on their website or on Amazon. Just take your water pump reservoir combo, take out the pump from the rear. It's 4 screws that holds it in place. They're silver predominantly, and the entire pump will be removed. When you get your new pump in from EK, the 4.2 version, just take the little cover off by taking off the 3 black screws predominantly as well. And make sure you have the rubber seal around it to make sure you attain that watertight seal when you install your new pump into your XD3 reservoir. So we got the new pump in. Of course, we're trying to take the pump out of the failing system that was in your computer, which is right here. Pump is up and running now with the 4.2 EK-Loop pump. If you're like me and you have one of these micro ATX builds where you don't like these massive cases, again, these XD3 pump reservoir combos are hard to find now, and trying to find something to fit in this beast can be very difficult. So just get a spare pump and have it as a backup just in case if this bad boy fails you for some reason, the pump in the rear, you can just swap the pump out and keep this thing running.